Hi, this is Pam from Statdash. In a previous tutorial, I showed you how to turn a dashboard into a template that you could share with other people. In this video, I'm going to expand upon that a little bit, and I'm going to show you how you can bundle multiple dashboard templates together and actually share them using your own web page that's designated just for you. So if you go to your Manage page, we're going to go down to Distributor Bundles. So the idea of a bundle is that you're going to take multiple templates or even a single template and you're going to put them together into a bundle, and then you're going to give people a URL that's specific to your bundle that will allow them to sign up for Statdash and also get automatically installed all the templates that you want. So I'm going to look at this goal template first, or bundle first. So let's just edit this, and notice I give my bundle a name and I set this URL for a sign up. Now this whatever I'm going to use here, it has to be unique across our entire system, so it will tell you if it's not unique, but you're basically going to have a URL that looks like this. It's going to be either with a bundle and then your name goals, or it's going to be edu. Depending on if you're an educator, you might want to use the edu, the edu designation. And you can specify a web page heading, and you can put in HTML codes if you want. And then we have a little editor that tells you, you can put more information about. Now you have to actually put in here separated by commas or semicolons. You actually have to put in the access ID for each of those templates that you want to use. You can choose to manage your student dashboards, and what that will do is that when they install the templates, you'll actually be set up as an administrator automatically. And then you can specify what that admin email is and what it should be called within their account. You can also automatically schedule status requests for the dashboards that you're going to install, and you can do that right here. And I'll show you what that looks like when I click on this goals. This is the link that you would use to distribute to people that you want to sign up for this bundle. And you notice that it just gives you all the basic information, and then a person can actually sign up and start using Statdash, and they'll automatically get those templates installed as dashboards. So you can also see the sign up count that you have for these different bundles, and when you have those bundles, you can actually reset it, like restart the number and the counter so that you can keep track going forward. So I hope that this has helped you to see how easily you can just take multiple templates. You can share them with others. You could use this to create some different courses or to augment some courses that you're teaching, and take advantage of the free version of Statdash to push out some of these templates to people that you want to work with. So be sure to check out our other videos at statdash.com.